Tama.
Hi mga be! Welcome to our channel.
So for tonight's
Video.
it's all about taste test or
Mukbang.
are we gonna taste
So
test dyan?
what are we going to taste test is Victoria's cream puff from Baguio. The famous cream puff in Baguio.
Yes. So ito po yung
Cream puff ready na po namin along with our drink. Macau Imperial. We have matcha and purple taro cheesecake collections. Okay. So ito yung mga nakuha namin set from Victoria's. So we have 2 matcha original, and then chocolate, charot, and then purple taro or ube. Okay. So lahat yan titikman natin and mag-comment kami sa taste nila. So let's start!
So anong unahin natin?
So let's start with the plain na.
Okay, yung original na lang.
Are we going to eat it?
Yeah,
One each?
individually na lang. So ito po yung
Original. Let's let them see. So, try na po natin. No?
magkasuba mo. Sarap. Ito po yung tsura niya sa loob. May custard cream. Ito. Kita niyo po. Good. Oops.
Okay, this is actually good. It has a lot of cream or the filling. Sana all may filling.
Sarap. Tsaka hindi siya gaano matamis. Sakto lang.
Nakaka-perfect siya para sa ating milk tea.
Ano pala? Hindi pa namin napapakilala yung sarili namin. Sino
So,
ka man?
I'm Jana. I'm the younger sister and she's
I'm Hannah.
Kapatid po kami. Wala kaming kambal, diba? Kaya mga mukha mo ba? Nahulog yung cream, guys. Nahulog sa legs ko. Pasensya niyo muna yung camera namin tsaka lighting kasi gamit lang namin phone. Tsaka wala kaming ring light. Gamit namin yung ano bang tawag dito. Lampshade.
Oh, next flavor
pwede bang
is...
natin na or
Oh, pwede naman. So, ito po yung chocolate na cream puff. Hati na lang kami.
try the chocolate flavor naman ngayon.
Ito po yung tsura niya sa loob. Yung sa loob, ito po yung sa outer niya. Na.
It's actually good.
Masarap yung pagka...
Ako niya. Hindi siya yung matamis na chocolate. It's may rich flavor ng kokwa talaga. Kokwa ang lasa niya.
No. Pasado ba? Guys.
Anong flavor isusunod natin?
Pagpumili.
Let's go with the ube. Then last natin yung our next flavor would be ube.
Love to go.
You see that? What can you say about the flavor, ate?
It's okay, pero mas gusto ko yung kaninang dalawa.
Oh!
Yung original tsaka chocolate. Ito, not that much.
Pagka-ube niya, Alam niyo yung medyo commercial taste ng ube. Hindi siya yung totally natural.
Hindi ako fan ng ube guys, pero si Jana, fan siya ng ube, so ube expert.
Ube is my favorite flavor. So,
Last but not the least, isi-save natin save the best for last, which is isa sa mga paborito po naming flavors, which is matcha.
matcha or green tea.
Matcha. So, ito po yung tsura niya, no? Hatiin namin sa gitna.
So,
Ito po yung feelings niya sa gitna. This one. Ito po ba?
So, kaya na rin. Cheers tayo, cheers. Cheers.
this is also actually good. But I think mas gusto ko pa rin yung first two, which is the original cream puff at yung chocolate.
For the matcha, okay lang. Okay lang siya guys, pero it's not my favorite.
The taste.
Siguro, if i-rate ko, number 1 ko pa rin si original.
Original.
Pang second si chocolate. Pang third si matcha. And then pang fourth
si
yung
ube.
Ube. Ikaw ba?
Same with
Ganun
yours.
din.
Oo.
Yung kapatid talaga tayo.
Pinaka the best pa rin si original. And also the chocolate is good.
Hindi ko ina-expect na gano'n din pala kasarap yung chocolate.
I was expecting matcha para sa second.
Yeah, me too.
But, ang kasa-expectation ko dito. So, though it's good. It's good naman. I mean, it's not bad for a dessert. Oh, sorry. Hindi naman natin yung wala kaming stand. Ito ba?
So, lastly, if bibigyan mo ng rating ang Victoria's Bakery for their cream puff dessert so far na natikman natin, out of 5 over 5, ilan yung mo?
I would
Rating mo sa Victoria's Bakery?
I would give it 4.
4 over 5.
4 over 5.
Me too, 4 over 5. Kasi so far, hindi pa namin natikman yung ibang desserts. This one pa lang.
This is just one of their specialty ata.
Oo.
But, it's good naman. I mean, it's not bad.
Lalo na sa mga dessert lover tulad namin. You should try this. Yes. So, thank you guys for watching and I hope you help us grow and experience us our journey as a sibling.
Sa mga interest namin at sa mga hobby po namin. So, thank
Thank you so much, Karen.